Put that pan in front of your face.
The fuck are they?
That's them. Those little bitches. It's my bike. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah.
Drop that fool.
The thing is,
Where you
you go
going?
from this just fucking taking off. He's like, you're fucked, dude. Goodbye.
He's like, I don't want any part of that. He headshot you off the bike with a fucking sniper rifle.
Yeah, dude, that was a sweet shot.
Still get that bounty.